So Alula is a county in Saudi Arabia, northwest Saudi Arabia. We have 45,000 inhabitants. We are one of the projects in the 2030 world strategy for the kingdom. And today we also have had somewhere around 250,000 visitors in the last season, and we're targeting more in the next season. Our vision is to have 2 million visitors a year by 2035. So a niche product very much around the heritage, the nature, healthy lifestyle, sustainability, etc. What are we trying to do? Well, we're trying to create an outdoor museum as the central fulcrum for diversifying the local economy through tourism. Therefore, we're going to be developing a lot of tourism-related assets, events, and so on and so forth. And all of this, therefore, requires a lot of smart city attention, and also will require an incredible amount of development. We've just released 2 hotels in the last season. We have something like 4 or 5 on the go in terms of development. We are in the process of remaking the entire infrastructure, roads, water, waste, etc., and rebuilding most of the town. We have something like 5 or 6 master plans ongoing. So a lot of a change that needs management on a digital level. In terms of the smart city aims, we're there not to just deploy technologies like a digital twin willy-nilly. We're there to enhance the experiences, be efficient. We're there to provide new models that can help the society develop more effectively, and also to provide sustainability benefits. Our digital twin is actually one part of our capability architecture from a smart city perspective. And the digital twin is really the single source of truth that feeds off all of the underlying data, such as GIS, and will then power also our real-time county control platform as part of our architecture for a smart city. But we're not just sort of deploying digital twin as a 3D visualization methodology. That's part of it. But it's most importantly about communication with stakeholders, and those stakeholders are internal and external. So we have obviously a number of the stakeholders that are involved in developing the county, and then we have a number of recipients, the citizens, investors, government entities, etc., with whom we aim to enhance communication by having a single source of truth around geospatial planning, building, and operational documentation and data. In our specific case, we look at 3 areas that we're specifically looking to enhance: planning, design, construction, development, and operational maintenance. Today, these are operated extremely separately. The joins are not trustful in the sense that documents are being distributed not necessarily with the appropriate versioning and the appropriate validity, and we're not necessarily all working on the same documentation. So this is one thing that the digital twin will aim to achieve, is a single source of truth. We've already started using various use cases. I think we've identified something like 26 use cases already, and there are several there that we've done, such as helping with architecture competitions, and starting to look at various simulation pieces such as flooding, etc. We're really aiming to enhance communication as a key. And we want to ensure that the communication is in one central place. So we're using our digital twin not just for the 3D visuals, but also for that sort of program communication aspect is what we're trialing out now. And we hope to deploy that across those entities shortly. We're also adding trust into the mix by taking the transactions that are carried out on the digital twin and ensuring that they are trustfully stored by each stakeholder. Therefore, there is no discussion later as to if any transactions occurred or not. do not occur. This is important in things like licensing and in design decisions, in construction decisions and procurement in all kinds of areas, as well as ensuring that we have resilience in the system. And we're creating some intellectual property around that, and we're happy to have any participants in that piece, especially as we're looking to really provide it as an underlying layer to our entire smart city. So in summary, we're looking to enhance our operations, our policy, our planning, our construction, maintenance, and municipal operations, such that they're all talking the same language. We want to involve stakeholders not only at the 3D level, but also at the level of communication. And we're integrating not only the digital twin as a central piece of our architecture, but also as a key driver for the smart city going forward.